Okay, what's today?
The 50th. Good morning.
It is. Good morning. Yes, it is October 1st, 2021. 50 years after the Magic Kingdom opened its doors for the first time. And
what an amazing day.
Are here.
Yeah,
all right.
What an amazing day to be here today.
Yes, we are here. We're going to go in here and just check out everything they've got to offer and just have an absolute blast.
Come along with us.
Yeah, come along with us. We're here in the Emporium, watching everybody grab all the 50th merchandise right now. Yeah, they've got a lot of cool stuff. We're just going to walk around here and check it out. Got some real pretty ears. What do you think of those ears, Carrie?
Oh, those are awesome.
Yeah, those are nice. Alright, so there's a tremendous amount of excitement around the 50th today. You can just kind of see it on everybody's faces. Everybody's super excited to be here. Man, I don't know how many rides or attractions we're actually going to get done today because we're just walking around enjoying the atmosphere. This is a blast. We are so glad we decided to come. Time for a little break. What you got there? An apple. You already ate a banana.
Yeah.
I got me my orange cream float with orange Fanta in it. My favorite treat.
So good.
Yes.
Refreshing.
Yeah, we got to have a little break because it is pretty doggone hot today.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, we're over here in Frontierland right now. We're getting ready to go ride some rides. We've had our snack, and I think we're gonna get away from the crowds on Main Street right now. It's just so crazy with everybody wanting to do the merchandise today that we're gonna head on down to Frontierland and ride Splash Mountain and Thunder Mountain and just go have some fun. Okay, yeah, you know we had to go do Country Bears. Yeah, it was an opening day attraction when Disney World opened, so we had to go and check that out. We're gonna go and do Thunder Mountain.
Sounds good.
Thunder Mountain. Oh, look at that. Chip and Dale are out there on the are out there on the raft. They're looking like they're having a lot of fun. Yeah, man, you got to celebrate 50th anniversary. All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
All right. All right.
So fun. Knocks you around. I love it.
Did you get jostled around a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thunder Mountain, man. That's a good time.
So fun.
All right. So you're not going to do splash?
I don't think so. Not right now. Maybe later.
She's too afraid to get wet.
So last night.
Oh, well, that's all right. I'm going to do splash, and you can wait on me.
Okay.
All right. Let's do it. All right.
Yeah, he's soaked.
Yeah, I have to concede that it was probably a good idea that Carrie didn't come on because the little log flume that I was in, it wasn't draining water. And when we went down the drop, there was about 5 inches of water in my feet. So my shoes are soaking wet right now, but it's all good. I think we're gonna go over to Tomorrowland. We haven't been over there yet in all this trip. We're gonna go hang out over there and do Buzz Lightyear, and since the last time we were here, the laugh floor is open back up again. So we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go check that out. And they always make jokes of me in there because my long beard and everything. But People Mover, Carousel of Progress. We're gonna go hang out in Tomorrowland and have some fun over there. You ready?
Come with us.
All right. Hey everybody.
Hey guys.
I got Nathan with me from Patient Tomorrow. We're just hanging out here at the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah,
man, you excited?
I'm excited for the day.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a busy day.
Yeah, it's fun stuff, man. We've been here for a while. Rode some rides already, had a good time, and we're just enjoying the atmosphere. It's awesome.
That's how it's gotta be.
Yeah, man. Have a great day, man.
You too. We'll see you, buddy.
Okay, it was fun getting ready to do laugh floor again.
Oh, it was awesome.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Such a good time. So funny.
Somehow, I always end up in the show somehow. Today,
he's usually that guy.
Yeah, today I was Sully. Yeah, because I'm the hairiest person in the audience. So there you go. All right. We're gonna go get some popcorn and then do some more Tomorrowland activities.
All right. you, Junior Space Rangers. Listen up. Green Squadron.
Alright, what time is it?
People mover time.
Yeah, time for the people mover. Kind of a bummer, I thought it was outside so they wouldn't have to wear masks, but it's alright, whatever. We're gonna go up here and relax and get some bird's eye view of Tomorrowland.
I want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land tomorrow.
Alright, so we're done with the people mover. It's always nice and relaxing. We like to get on that, just enjoy the ride around Tomorrowland, get some nice views. But we've been here for about 5 hours already, and we haven't even gone into Fantasyland yet. So I guess we're gonna go back there. Fantasyland, babe?
Sounds good.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of rides I think we haven't done yet, and yeah, we'll go back there. We've got a dining time. We're gonna eat at the Columbia Harbor House, and we just went ahead and reserved our time for a couple of hours from now. So we'll go sit in some AC and relax in there in a little bit. But on to some more rides in Fantasyland.
Caution, you're approaching the unloading area. Please slow down and do not strike.
Okay, babe. You rode Winnie the Pooh. What's your favorite part of that ride? I think I know.
The part when Tigger's jumping.
Yeah, the part where in the little honey pot you're in,
Kind of jump. They go like
hops around with Tigger. Yeah, it's cute. It's
Yeah.
cute. So we're gonna go down and check out It's a Small World because they have recently repainted the entire interior of that ride. Like, well, not where the dolls are, but right where the entrance is, where you board the boats. They've repainted it, all these real pretty colors and everything. I've seen a couple of pictures, but we're gonna go check that out. All right. Yeah, I think it looks great in here. This was way better than just the white and gold. Very nice.
It's a small world. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos y brazos.
Okay, time for maybe my favorite ride in the park, the Haunted Mansion.
One night on safari.
Yep, still one of my favorites. You like it, babe?
Oh yeah.
All right, I guess we're gonna get a picture out here in front of the Haunted Mansion, and then it'll be about time to go eat dinner. And we are ready.
Starved.
So, one of your favorite spots?
Yes.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah,
I
we're at
love
the
it.
Columbia Harbor House, and well, they got seafood here. We got a little trio basket, so it's got chicken fingers, fish, and shrimp. And then tell them about this shake.
It's a blackberry shake with a donut glaze
Yeah,
on top.
I'm trying to remember the name of it. It's Foolish Mortal Shake or something like that. I don't know. It's got something to do with Haunted Mansion. But yeah, blackberry. You had me at blackberry.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Starving. Try it.
Is it good?
It's good.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're about 3 hours from the kickoff of Disney Enchantment, the new fireworks show. And everybody's starting to gather here in the hub and get their spots ready so they can watch the show. We're still going to go ride some rides. We can come back. We can come back about an hour beforehand and
Sure.
find our spot. We'll make a spot.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Of course, you can also call me Skipper Easy. It's like, I'm just kidding. They don't float. I would not recommend. Seafood there is pretty good, though. I tried it. It's not. Mama, we should probably talk about this. That is the first rule of the jungle. Very important. Don't forget, kids. Don't be a zebra. They're very unlucky.
All right, well, we found our spot for the fireworks tonight, and it doesn't start for another hour and a half. So we're going to be standing in here pretty tight. It's a little crowded. Yeah, I mean, you know, you have to get to these spots. We're right in the middle, though. You can see Main Street behind me.
Tonight, a special magic flows through this majestic castle, the magic of fantasy. We gather together as our dreams ignite the swirling pixie dust, creating a beacon that shines out in celebration of 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
All right, so we got about 45 minutes to the show. It is packed in Main Street, USA, at the hub, but everybody's getting super excited. So are we. We're ready to get it started. All right. right, it has been a long day, but we are so thankful to have been here for the 50th anniversary. So glad we made this trip, huh?
Definitely.
Yeah, so we're glad you came along with us for this big adventure. I hope you had a good time with us, and thank you for watching Butler Family Adventures.